Did you know that approximately 70 million Americans suffer from a sleep disorder? That's 1 in 3 adults that don't get enough sleep. And this leads to horrible health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, weak immune system. I can go on and on, but I won't because I've learned about retention. I hope. If you don't sleep well, it affects your physical and mental health. And it doesn't just have to be for a long time. Like, you don't have to be a serious insomniac bouncing off the walls to start to feel bad. There are real, recent studies that show sleep deprivation affects everything from your memory to your emotional stability. Now, have you recently had an emotional meltdown because you've lost your car keys? Well, it's more than likely sleep's fault. So what can you do to improve your quality of sleep? Well, relaxation techniques have been scientifically proven to help. And today we're going to dive into some DIY methods that can make a real difference. Now, I see all of you writing in the comment section of my fall asleep fast video. This isn't a competition to see who was awake the latest. I'm making this video to help you fall asleep. Let's see who can fall asleep the fastest. Relaxation techniques work by helping our body activate something called the parasympathetic nervous system. This is the rest and digest part of our nervous system, which helps us unwind and prepare for sleep. When we engage in deep breathing, muscle relaxation, or mindfulness, we slow down our heart rate, reduce our blood pressure, and shift our focus away from stresses. Now, according to studies published in journals like Frontiers of Psychology, techniques like deep breathing and progressive muscle relaxation have been proven to decrease anxiety and improve your sleep quality. So let's take a closer look at how you can incorporate these techniques into your bedtime routine. Number 1, let's start with deep breathing. One of the most effective methods is box breathing. It's simple. You inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, inhale for another 4, and hold again for 4 seconds. This technique helps to calm the nervous system and prepare your body for sleep. If you just imagine a box as you breathe in, so you hold, you breathe, hold, and let out again. Secondly, another popular technique is the 4-7-8 breathing method. You inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. This method is especially good for reducing stress and quieting the mind. And lastly, we have alternate nostril breathing. This method balances the body and calms the mind as well. Simply block one nostril, inhale through the other, then switch sides. Moving on to progressive muscle relaxation. This technique involves tensing and then releasing each muscle group in the body, starting with your toes and working your way up to your head. Now, by focusing on each muscle group and the sensation of the tensing and releasing, this method reduces physical stress and promotes relaxation. Next, let's talk about mindfulness meditation. This is such a powerful way to calm the mind and prepare for sleep. It involves focusing on your breathing, observing your thoughts without any judgment, and just staying in that moment. This is training your mind to let go of any distractions, which allows ourselves to drift off into a peaceful sleep. Now that you know some great techniques, it's time to create your personalized sleep routine. Remember, relaxation techniques are most effective when practiced regularly. So try out a few different ones. Find what works for you. Consistency is key. So setting specific bedtimes, incorporating relaxation techniques into your evening ritual, whether it's 10 minutes of deep breathing or a full progressive muscle relaxation routine, sticking with this will enhance your sleep quality. And remember, you can mix and match these techniques. Research has shown that combining techniques like deep breathing, meditation, can have a really amazing effect, giving you even more benefits. Improving your sleep quality doesn't have to be complicated. By prioritizing relaxation techniques, you can train your body and your mind to unwind, prepare for deep, restful sleep. I really encourage you to try these techniques, stick with them, and make them part of your nightly routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more sleep tips. Share this with a friend who needs better sleep. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which relaxation technique you plan to try. If you want me to talk you through a relaxation meditation, click here and see if my voice is relaxing or annoying, hopefully not. Click here and try this video next.